Welcome to my Ipsy, where it's $10 a month, free shipping, and you get a few items. Let's get started. First thing I got is this card, and it says Social Butterfly Ipsy 2018, and it says, fact, life's too short to skip all the fun stuff happening right now. And this is the bag I got, and let's get started. The first thing that I got was this. It's called Dirty Little Secrets, and it is in Nude Beach. And let's see what it is. It is one of these lipsticks. Oh, it's glittery. It's in the color, if I can focus, it's Nude Beach, and it's by the brand called DSL Lip Gloss. And the second thing that I got was this it's called Pure Volumized Mascara, and wow, no clue what brand it's from. There's no brand on it. It just says, oh, it says right here, it says Punk Volumizer. Sorry, Punk Volumizer Mascara. And the next item that I got was this, and it's really hard to see the name. It's called Starstruck, and it is a limited edition. One side is, let's see, an eyeliner, and let's see what the other side is. Oh, and the other side is a stamp. The next item that I got, which I'm really excited, was called some Hemp's Pure Herbal Extracts Lips Ultra Moisturizing Herbal Lip Balm, enhanced with 100% pure natural hemp oil. And it says it is paraben free, gluten free, 100% vegan, and THC free, and it goes on the lips. And the last thing that I got was this delectable soft triple moisture body lotion in coconut cream, and it is created in Canada, and it's cruelty free, and it is let me see if I can focus. 60 milliliter, which is 2 fluid ounces. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and give it a thumbs up, and I'll put the description in the bottom. Thank you. Bye.